EQM Industrial are New Zealand's leading food industry equipment and technology supplier, specialising in optimal performance of food processing equipment. This includes EQM Pack for all your Packhouse requirements. EQM Pack designs and builds complete custom packing lines, including stainless steel packing benches, package coating, accumulation tables and carton loading. In conjunction with Unitech in Italy, a world-leading provider of turnkey fruit defect sorting lines, EQM can supply sizing lines for 35 different fruits and vegetables. EQM Pack's rotary tables are a common accumulation point for punnets, pouches, bottles and fruit collection. EQM Pack also has label applicators for individual fruit or fruit packaging, including label design and printing services. EQM Pack includes solutions for weighing, packing and filling of fruit or vegetables. The EQM Pack range also includes rotary fruit brushes to wash, dry and polish all kinds of fruit. In addition, EQM also have fans and portable blowers for reducing the effect of humidity and extracting or creating air movement. Pallet strapping machines from renowned European brand Pack are available from EQM Pack. Semi-automatic, fully automatic, mobile and fixed models all deliver benefits, particularly in reducing labour and forklift movements. For more information about EQM Pack, contact EQM today.